Hi, I'm Malatoshoma. I would like to talk about the best YouTube promoter tool, which is called TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy helps to promote my channel and my video. I suggest appropriate. It suggests, that is, YouTubeBuddy suggests video tags with it is percent when we upload video. In general, TubeBuddy helps to promote your channel and to increase subscribers. To use TubeBuddy, first go to the official site of TubeBuddy, that is www.tubebuddy.com, and add the extension to your browser, which is Chrome, and sign to your YouTube account. After that, you must allow some permissions. Then, after you are allowing that permissions, TubeBuddy will install on your browser and your YouTube account. So, this TubeBuddy can promote your YouTube channel. TubeBuddy tool have different features. From that, the one is suggestion of tags. When you upload your video, it suggests tags based on your description and your video title. And another feature is keyword explorer. That is, it explores the keywords that you use to searching, as well as to add your description and video title. So this tool, that is TubeBuddy, is a best YouTube promoter tool. So I suggest to use this tool. It has different features. So to make money from TubeBuddy and to promote and increase subscribers. Thank you for watching.